Ever thought about growing your own mushrooms in a sustainable and unique way? Well, let me introduce you to mushroom log cultivation. This method is not only environmentally friendly, but also offers a visually appealing way to grow your favorite fungi. By inoculating logs with mushroom spawn, we create the perfect environment for mushrooms to thrive outdoors, especially in cooler climates. The logs provide a natural habitat for the mushrooms to grow, mimicking their natural ecosystem. The beauty of mushroom log cultivation lies in its simplicity and low maintenance. Once the logs are inoculated, all you need to do is keep them moist and wait for the magic to happen. It's like having your own mini mushroom forest right in your backyard. Not only is this method sustainable, but it also allows you to enjoy the freshest and most flavorful mushrooms possible. Imagine harvesting your own gourmet mushrooms for your next meal, knowing that you've played a part in their growth from start to finish. So, if you're looking for a fun and rewarding way to grow mushrooms while embracing sustainable practices, give mushroom log cultivation a try. It's a unique and aesthetically pleasing way to connect with nature and enjoy the fruits of your labor.